Did you know that there are 5 frigate bird species across all tropical and subtropical regions? 2 of them live here in the Galapagos Islands. This family's most peculiar trait is their mating ritual, which can be experienced in such proximity only here. The male sits on his nest and patiently waits until the female flies by. This is when the show really starts. He begins inflating his bright red pouch, showing the female that he is the most suitable mate. The male claps his beak, trying to entice the female. They begin the ritual and mesmerize you with their courtship. Their interaction is a unique, lovely story. A choreographed romance for only a lucky few to witness. I feel privileged to capture this moment.